Hi guys, we're here today with a review from Celie Hair. Guys, the wig that we'll be reviewing today is a 14-inch straight bob lace frontal wig. We will go in a little later and bleach and pluck the lace. Okay, this wig has clips on both sides, one in the middle, one in the back, and adjustable strap. Guys, and the hair is really soft. Okay, so the knots wasn't bleached on this particular unit, so we're going to go ahead with our Colada Colors and 40 Developer and bleach those knots. It's important when you're mixing your developer and lightening together that you make sure you get it to a pancake consistency before applying it to your lace, because you do not want your lightener to bleed through and bleach more than just the knots. Okay, so off camera, I went ahead and let my developer sit for like 30 minutes. And once I let it sit, I washed it out, and here are the results. So we're ready to apply the unit now. Okay guys, so the adhesive I'll be using today is Boldhold Active. I love my Boldhold products. It's important when applying your Boldhold Active that you apply it in thin layers. I'm going to be applying 2 layers of glue. I usually do 3, but today I'm just going to do 2, just for a light hold. Once that second layer of glue has turned clear, it's time to apply the lace. When applying the lace, guys, I press my fingertips into the glue. When cutting my lace, guys, I always start with the ear tabs. Once I have cut the ear tabs, I'm going to use my razor and just cut along the hairline. And always remember, cut in a zigzag motion. And once I have the lace cut, I'm going to go around and glue the areas where the lace is lifting. Finished securing my lace down, I went around my hairline and just thinned it out a little. like it, I went ahead and molded it back and put my wrap paper around it. Guys, I'm gonna just let that melt in. Next, I'm gonna flat iron my hair out. Flat iron, I seen I had a lot of flyaways at the top, so I'm just going to use my wax stick and mold that down. Guys, once I molded it down, I'm just going to use my electric straightening comb and just go over the top area because I like it to be really sleek. Cut the styling strip off. Guys, this wig right here is a beginner's wig. I didn't use any lace tint at all. It melts with my skin color and it's so soft and easy to install. In the comment section below, let me know some videos that you would like to see. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button and hit that notification button to be notified when I post new videos.